Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
Good as that doing?
For doing your cam position sensor, disconnect fuse number 9 or your batteries. Then you go to your crank, 10 o'clock position, 10 mil to loosen it off. And the beauty is, you can even use the old sensor itself with this little knob to wiggle it back and forth until it pulls right out. Not too bad. And then you coat the new one with oil right on the O-ring there. Right on the O-ring. See? Put your connector back in. 10 mil, tighten it up. Good to go. Alright. Changing your cam position sensor. Here's your sensor. It's oriented, from what I've read, 10 o'clock position. There's your crank, 10 o'clock from that. So, let's get up under here. Okay. So, let's see if you can see. Oh, there it is. Right there. I've already disconnected the wire. Right there. There's your connector. It just pulls up and you gently pull it out. There's a sensor, 10mm bolt. You can basically see it because here's your passenger's tire right underneath the leaf spring, right on through. It's in there somewhere. Oh. Right there, you can see it. Anyways, take that out, stick the new one in, connector in, done. Tech tip: if you have 2-inch extension and a nice deep socket 10 mil bit, you can reach it from here. This is only like maybe 2 inches, this separation here. If you have a 2-inch extension, it'll facilitate it. So if you take off your belt, 2-inch extension and a deep socket, it'll work. Otherwise, once you crack it loose, then you can just get it out with your fingers.